Hey guys, and we're back. I'm Dr. Kanisha, pharmacist by day, reseller by night. So today I wanted to come in and talk about 5 mistakes I feel eBay sellers are still making. So I'm one of them, still making some mistakes and still looking to correct those. So the first one is that we're pricing our items too low or too high. So there's a sweet spot, right? So you get that quality item sold for a great price in a nice time frame. So if that item is priced too low, you're selling the item quickly and you're thinking, uh-oh, I didn't capitalize on that. The item's priced too high, you hold on to it for 2 years and you're thinking, but maybe sometimes you're attached to the fact of how much you spent on the item, and so you expect more for the item. And then sometimes the item is worth a lot retail, but not worth as much reselling it. So you end up saying, oh, I priced the item really high and I'm still holding on to it 2 years later. So keep in mind that there's a sweet spot in your pricing. Number 2 is that we're not utilizing our titles and using keywords in our titles, because those keywords are how a customer finds your listing or finds your item. So if it's a sweater with a mock neck or tassel sleeves or roll tab sleeves or thumb holes, you put those in the title because that's what the customer is searching for. So utilizing as many characters of those 80 characters that you have in your title to attract your customer. Number 3, filling out the item specifics, as many as possible. And I vote for all of them. So don't ever leave one of the blanks blank and try to choose from the actual search options that are there. Because when you type in your own, from my understanding, I don't believe that eBay pushes more customers to you for that. And you're not attracting more customers to your listing that way, because Google doesn't understand. It's thinking, okay, these are not one of the options. And using NA like I use sometimes, that's not one of the options. So that does not attract more customers. So fill out the item specifics with what you really know. And I don't know, I'm still thinking NA, because that means at least the item specific is filled out. So think about what's best for you, but I would say just still put NA, because it's better than leaving it blank, because that's why eBay comes up and says, oh, you have 52 item specifics to fill out, because they want you to fill out all the item specifics so they can send you more customers. So keep that in mind, okay? Number 4 is that I don't believe we research what actually sells enough in our category. So spending time each week saying, okay, well, what's selling, what's trendy, what's popular, what's a good, and for clothes for me, so an everyday basic, a nice cardigan, nice slacks, whatever it is, we need to have an idea of what people are buying right now and wearing right now. What season is it? So have those things in mind and be researching what actually sells. And then number 5 is that the items, I believe, are, oh geez, I'm forgetting the last one. Number 5 is that number 4 was research what actually sells. And then number 5 is, oh Lord, it's something with pricing. Oh, the cost of goods, Lord, the cost of goods, keeping your cost of goods low. Because so many times we're in Goodwill and we're thinking, okay, well, it's only $6, but then am I the only one that thinks that when I'm in Goodwill, the prices add up quickly? But if I go to the bins, I'm surprised how low the price is. But that's something I have to keep in mind. So when that item sells, I have to take $6 off of that final profit. So eBay says, okay, you made this much money net sales. And I'm like, but that doesn't include how much you spent on the item. So you still have to take $6 away from that $20 net sale. But if you buy at the bins somewhere much cheaper, or you can get the item for free, it's a much smaller price that you're taking from your net sale. So 20 minus $1 compared to $20 minus $6, that's a big difference. It really is. So $20 minus $1 is 19. $20 minus $6 is 14. So, and think about that extrapolated over several items, over several months, over several years. So those are the top 5 things that I believe those are the mistakes that eBay sellers are still making. Sorry about forgetting the last one. I've redone this video a few times. Take care, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. See you guys next time. Bye.